everybody, today I'm going to show you about the cooking with what everyone, cooking with kitchen leg and also can too, like this. We cook together kitchen leg and what and can we cook together. So it is a new recipe for me that I'm trying my best to search, and it is a new cook for everyone too. I think so. It is a new cook for everyone too. So if you want to know the recipe of it, so let's go with me. So now we have garlic. So now we put oil. So this one garlic, and then we add the fish sauce everyone. And then we add salt like this. This is the especially ingredient of this food everyone. We put just some of it because of it is a lot. Put like this. And also we add pepper. Now is the time to add the kitchen leg. It smells so good everyone, even though it is not yet already cooked, but it smells so good. We match it like this, match it to be well everyone. Wow. And then everyone we add a little bit of water like this. We add water like this. Then we cook until it already cooked. Everyone, so now is the time to take the outside of the can. Everyone, take the outside of the can, and also we take it to cook with kitchen leg. So we take like this. Everyone, this is the can, so we already cut it, and then we will take this to cook with kitchen leg on the fire. onion, it is so good. So we take it to cook, everyone. I think it's enough, everyone. So now we put the can on to cook. Wow. Everyone, it is nearly to be already cooked, but we wait maybe 10 minutes later, maybe it already cooked. So wait. Everyone, so now it is already cooked. So we add more the green onion to be more delicious, everyone. We add like this. It is so good. Just eat water, but it's so good. So wait for the kitchen leg. I'm going to eat to show you. It's really hot, everyone. So I take this one for tasting. It really good taste, everyone. And it is so yummy. The best taste, everyone. I take one more. Take this one. Really yummy, everyone. Yummy, yummy, and yummy. It is a new recipe for my family and for me too. And you can learn by my video from in the start of video and until in the end. So I have clear recipe, like I tell you 1, 2, 3 the ingredient of it, how many ingredient of it we put on this cook, everyone. So really yummy, yummy, and yummy. You can learn and you can cook at your house, everyone, at your home. Sorry. So now I think it is enough of my eating, and also the dark is nearly to be dark and dark. The sky is nearly to be dark. So let me say goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget have to subscribe my channel to have more video, to have more recipe, yummy cooking and yummy eating. So and also to have more blue landscape like this to show you for other video and for the next video. But right now let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. Thank you for the next video. See you soon for the next video. Goodbye, everyone.